Welcome back in a new video with Node.js tips and tricks tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about Morgan Logger. Morgan Logger is a way to put some log in our terminal to see what the user have request, which API user requested, which time, what is the status code, and other things. So to work with Morgan, we first need to install it. So in terminal, just hit npm install Morgan like this, and just wait a second. It will install it and you will see it in package.json. So if we go to package.json, we'll see Morgan. After we have Morgan installed, before we do any code, let's run our project. Let's hit npm starts and go to localhost 3000 to see our terminal. Just see the last row here is server is running on board 3000. So if we go and refresh and go to our terminal, it's the same, nothing new. Now let's make variable const called Morgan equal require and Morgan. Now we get an instance from Morgan and we can use it. You can use Morgan as a middleware. So if I put app.use Morgan like this, that's mean it's Morgan for now. It's a middleware will apply for each route I will hit. So if we have here 4 or 5 route, like route 1 it's slash, second one it's h, third one it's hi, let's say. So when I hit any API of this, the Morgan will start before the API started because it's a middleware for now. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Now server running and import 3000. Let's refresh and go to our code. If we see Morgan have now some of row in our terminal. Let's make our screen bigger. So we have some of words new because of Morgan, but it's not clear. So let's give Morgan one argument. Let's say tiny, so it will make this text, minimize it, and give us just important data. Let's refresh again and see what's happened. So now we have requested with get method, and the route is only forward slash because we just put forward slash, nothing else. After that we have time with millisecond, time for request for response. And if we just move to other API, h, not hello, it's just h, and we see we get h and status code is 200, that means successfully, and content links 45 and time in millisecond. And in the same way, if I go to high route, it's the same. He go to the high with status code 200 and other. We can change this shape of data that Morgan log in our terminal, and we can put something else. If we go to npm Morgan and we scroll down, we can use this, and let's explain it. So I will remove tiny and put it. So first he will put the method. It will be get, second one URL slash hi or slash h or slash status code, it's 200 or something else, content links for here 45 or something else, and the response time with millisecond. This is the response time with millisecond. I want to add something else like date, and I will hit weep. So for now, in each API I will hit, it will store the date and time that I have requested this API. So for now, let's go to our browser and request for hi and see hi. We have requested in 20 of November 2023, 2023, and this is the time. If we hit other API like just slash and it's the same, give me the same, but the time is different here 47 and here 48 because we have talked a little bit. So that's Morgan. It's helped the developer to know the APIs that have been hidden and which APIs that the user is requested and in which time, and we can do a lot of things with Morgan more than this. But for now, I will stop explaining about Morgan. We explain everything we need to make it log our in our terminal.